All right, people, so I just recently released my unboxing and first impressions review on these Edifier NB2 Pro earbuds, and I briefly touched on the app in that video, but this video, if you are wondering, is going to be a full deep dive into the Edifier Connect app featuring these NB2 Pro wireless earbuds.
Want to see some love? It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV. Well, we don't discriminate. We believe all tech deserves some love. So when you first get these earbuds, what you want to do is download the Edifier Connect app, which looks like this. Open that up. If your earbuds are already connected to your headphones, it'll automatically open up. If not, you need to go and connect these earbuds to your phone via your Bluetooth setting first, and then come back to this app and it'll automatically pop open like this. So as you can see, this is your main screen when it comes to the app. At the top, you get your name of your earbuds or headphones that you'll be using, and these are the Edifier Truly Wireless NB2 Pro earbuds. At the top right, you have this icon right here. This goes into your settings. So you have your Edifier True Wireless NB2 Pro. You can click on the edit tab next to that, and then you can rename it to whatever you want. Underneath here, you have your user manual, which will go outside of this app and it will just bring up a website that shows the book that's already included in here. You can adjust the tap sensitivity, so you can bring it down all the way from 0 all the way up to 31. I'll just keep it where it was at on 20. I like how that is right now. Underneath the tap sensitivity, you got wear detection, and you got 3 options. It says disable wearing detection, pause music when earbuds are removed, play music when inserted, pause music when earbuds are removed, no action when inserted. So I like to have it cut off when I take the earbud out and cut back on when I put the earbud back in. Underneath wear detection, you have find my headphones. So it says click search, and then the headphones will play audio. To avoid hearing damage, do not wear the headphones. So let me go ahead and take this out real quick so that you can hear this. Hit search, and you hear that just like that. And it comes out of both of them. It's like a truck backing up. It doesn't get louder, it's just a constant beep just like that. Underneath find my headphones, you have prompt volume. Set the headphones prompt volume, so it tells you what type of mode it's in or what sound effects it's on. Right here it's on volume 7, it goes all the way up to 15, so I'll just leave it around 7. Then you have power off, which is self-explanatory. It's power on, power off. You have shutdown timer. You have options between 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and 90 minutes. Underneath shutdown timer, you have Bluetooth settings, you have disconnect Bluetooth, and you have repair Bluetooth. And then you also have factory settings underneath that, and that just resets the entire settings page which you just went through. Back to the main screen, you have soothing sounds right below the settings tab. So if I click on that, you have a bunch of different sounds. The language up top I cannot read, and I don't know where to change that, but you also know that this is your all tab because you can read that, and then it just tells you summer night, midnight rest. It gives you a bunch of options all the way through here, and these are just like soothing sounds. So if I click on Swan Lake, this is what it sounds like. I do like that portion of the app that they put that in there. And then right in the middle of the app, you do have your earbuds right here. Underneath, you have your battery status of your left and your right. I would like to see battery status for the case, but that's not available. Underneath the battery status, you have your noise reduction option. You also have your ambient sound option. And when the ambient sound option is selected, you do get this slider from -3 all the way up to +3 for the levels of ambient sound. You click it on noise reduction. I don't know if you heard that, but it was a female voice saying noise reduction on. That's the prompt voice that I was talking to you about earlier. And then Samit's ambient sound.
What the hell did you just say?
And now, just to let you know, this makes perfect sense, obviously, if you think about it. Doesn't matter if it's the right or the left earbud in there, and then you try to switch it to noise reduction, I will get this prompt right here. Available only when the left and the right earbuds are used at the same time, so no ambient sound with just one earbud. And then also for ambient sound, if you have one earbud and you click on that, it will say ambient sound, but when you try to adjust the slider, it says only available when the left or the right earbud are used at the same time. Just like with noise reduction, you cannot use ambient sound with only one earbud as well. At the bottom, you have this tab of now playing, and that's self-explanatory. It just tells you whatever it's playing, whether it's music or sound from inside of this app. At the very bottom, you have more tabs. You have headphone, discover, mail, and me. So if discover, I want to say it's just new products and stuff that Edifier is promoting at the time. So in the tab over, it says mall, but I do believe this is just Edifier's website, their mobile website. So you can see all the new products, what's available, the headphones and different other items as well. So the last tab is the me tab. It says, hi, welcome to Edifier Connect. It shows device compatibility tab. If you click on that, it shows you all of the actual headphones and speakers that are compatible with this app. Underneath device compatibility, you have add widget. So if I click on that, it tells you exactly how to add a widget. Now this is for iOS. I'm not sure if they have one for Android, but if they do, it will probably be in the same spot. You have your frequently asked questions right here, no sound, indicator light off. You can read that. And then last tab, you have about us right here. And that just gives you company profile, version, update, and stuff like that. If you go back to the main screen and then swipe over to the left, this is where you can switch your sound effects mode. So you have normal mode, spatial audio, and game mode. Now for me personally, I normally keep it on spatial audio and I keep it on noise reduction. And that is the best sound combination if you're looking for a very dynamic, but also a decent amount of bass when it comes to these. They sound really well in that option. And like I said, you don't have the EQ to really tailor it to what you want. I think this does a really good job. And then you also have your game mode if I didn't say that already. And that is a complete rundown of this app featuring these Edifier Truly Wireless NB2 Pro earbuds. As always, if you found any value in this video whatsoever, please smash that subscribe button down below and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notification when I drop my next tech video. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Life channel. My name is Nicholas and I'm out. Peace.